Today I am going to show you how to open Google Drive on your PC and explore all of its sections step by step. First, I open Google Chrome from my desktop. Once Chrome opened, I went to the top right corner and clicked on the Google Apps icon next to my account profile. As soon as I clicked on it, a drop-down appeared showing all Google Apps. From there, I clicked on Google Drive and my Google Drive interface opened instantly. On the left side, I saw the first option called My Drive. I clicked on it and here I could see all the files and folders that were already uploaded to my drive. Right below that there was the computer option. When I clicked on computers, it showed no computer syncing because I have not synced any device with my drive yet. Then I clicked on share with me. This section was empty because no one has shared any files or folder with me yet. After that, I selected the recent option. Here, all my recently opened, uploaded or edited files appeared clearly. Next, I clicked on Stored. This was also empty because I have not marked anything as stored so far. Under that, I opened the Spam section. This was empty too since I have not received any spam file. Then I clicked on the Bin. The bin was also empty because I have not deleted any file yet. Finally, I clicked on Storage from the left panel. Here I could see how much storage I have used, how much is remaining and which type of files are taking up space. All the details were shown very clearly. And that's how you can easily open Google Drive on your PC and explore every section step by step.